open up, I have a graham cracker in my hand. Sorry. I realized that I did not open up the vlog. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia. I apologize for the cartoons in the background. But we're active on Vlogmas, and I don't know what day we're on, but this morning we went to Target and Walmart. Just a regular Saturday thing we do. We usually go to the library. We didn't feel like going. The kids didn't feel like going to the library, so we didn't go. But yeah, we looked at some of the Christmas stuff. I'm still on the hunt for a bell for my staircase. I think I'm just gonna order it online. I just started dinner. It's only 2 o'clock, but I just started dinner in the crock pot. I made a pot roast because that's what I'm in the mood for. I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes and some string beans because that's what I want. It's very cozy, very delicious, but I've got it going in a crock pot. I'm gonna try and clean up a bit because my house and kitchen overall is a mess. Yeah, so I'm also starting a new series called Decluttering December. So I'm gonna have like I'm gonna have different snippets or videos this month showing me decluttering because my home is a disaster, and I don't think we should wait until January 1st to start this process. I think we need to start early, navigate it one room, one step at a time. Today, I'm going to clean out my fridge. It needs it. I need to clean out the freezer. I need to do all the things. So that's what we're about to do right now. Okay, so in my crock pot, I just have some beef broth. I have some carrots, some onions, an onion soup mix, chuck roast, some butter, and yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. I have onions and garlic at the base as well. I did sear it on my stove first and then put it in the crock pot. I don't really think it matters if you do that or not, but since I'm starting it really late, I figure it'll take less time to cook. That's gonna be dinner. I need to get back into the crock pot meals because they're just an easy way to get dinner on the table. So you will be seeing more crock pot meals on this channel. Okay, so let's clean up. My house is a mess. Yikes. I think
Do you
about.
remember how small he was?
Yes, I remember.
Look how thick he is.
I do. I want him to come out all the way, but he's not going to.
Look how thick he is now.
Every time I see him, I think of the snake from Beetlejuice.
Yeah.
Remember the one that came out the grave?
Come out of the thing, yeah. It do look like that.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if that's what they got that from. I know you're talking about.